If your fan motor is squeaking and the blades won't spin, it's usually the bearings acting up, and trying to fix that yourself can be tricky but doable if you're careful. So here's the lowdown. First, check if your motor has little oil ports, those tiny holes near the bearings. You can put a few drops of light machine oil or electric motor oil in there and then manually spin the fan blades to help spread the lubricant around. Don't use heavy grease or WD-40 because they can gum up the bearings instead of helping. If the shaft is dirty, yeah, wiping it clean before oiling is smart, but don't pour oil on the shaft itself. Focus on the bearings. If the motor is sealed and doesn't have oil ports, then oiling won't help much, and you might be better off replacing it. Always make sure the power is completely off before you touch any part of the motor to avoid shocks or damage. If the fan blades still don't spin freely after oiling, it's a sign that the bearings are probably shot and need a replacement motor. Patience is key here because messing with a bad motor can fry your compressor and cause way bigger headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fan motors is trying to force them to run when the bearings are worn out, which can burn out the motor and compressor. Better to turn it off and wait for a new one. Another common issue is using the wrong type of lubricant like grease or WD-40. These don't work well on motor bearings and can cause more damage. Also, some folks forget to clean the shaft or bearings before oiling, so dirt gets trapped and stops the oil from doing its job. The fix is simple. Clean first, then oil properly with light machine oil only. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without any stress. It also helps contractors connect with people needing work done, making home projects way easier for everyone involved.